Your phone is ringing, not a message, not a cute little notification, a real phone call in English. And suddenly your hand becomes very heavy. The phone is in your hand, but your soul is already under the table. You look at the screen. Unknown number. Maybe it is the hotel. Maybe it is a delivery person. Maybe it is a doctor. Maybe it is a person from work. Maybe it is your destiny calling. And your brain says, "No, thank you. We do not work with destiny today." The phone keeps ringing. 1 ring, 2 rings, 3 rings. You know English. You can say many things in your room. Yesterday you said, "I would like to improve my communication skills." Very nice, very elegant, very serious. But now, with 1 phone call, your English becomes 3 words. Yes. No. Sorry? This is normal. Phone calls are harder than normal conversations. Why? Because you cannot see the person. You cannot see their face. You cannot see their hands. You cannot read their body language. There is only a voice, a fast voice, sometimes with bad sound, sometimes with noise. Sometimes the person speaks like they are running from a bear. So before we continue, do a small test. Imagine the phone rings right now. Someone says, "Hi, can I speak to Alex?" What do you say? Think for 2 seconds. Good. You can say, "Speaking." Or, "Yes, this is Alex." Or if your name is not Alex, please do not become Alex. Use your name. Very important life advice. Now, let's make your first phone call in English much easier. You do not need perfect English. You need phone survival English. Small phrases, clear phrases, phrases that give your brain time. First phrase, "Hello, this is," for example, "Hello, this is Maria," or "Hello, this is David." Simple, clean, human. If someone calls you and asks for your name, you can say, "Yes, this is Maria speaking." But if that feels too long, say, "Speaking." That is enough. Now the scary part. What if you do not understand? This happens a lot. Maybe the person speaks fast. Maybe the sound is bad. Maybe your brain hears, "Hello, bow bow bell, appointment, ba ba bell, Tuesday, blah blah bell, number." Beautiful music, no meaning. Do not panic. Use your rescue phrases. Say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you speak a little slower, please?" Or, "Sorry, the sound is not very clear." These phrases are gold, small gold, phone call gold. They save you. And listen carefully. Asking again is not stupid. It is normal. Native speakers ask again too. Phones are not perfect. People are not perfect. Sometimes life has bad audio. Now let's imagine a real call. Your phone rings. You answer. "Hello, this is Anna." The person says, "Hi, this is Mark from the office. I'm calling about your appointment tomorrow." Your brain starts running. Appointment? Tomorrow? Office? Mark? Who is Mark? Why does Mark know me? Relax. You can slow the call down. Say, "Sorry, could you repeat that slowly?" Mark says it again. Now you understand. He is calling about your appointment. Good. You can answer, "Yes, I understand." Or, "Okay, thank you." Or, "What time is the appointment?" Simple question. Very useful. Now if you need to write something down, say, "One moment, please. I need to write this down." This is a magic phrase. It gives you time, it makes you sound calm, even if inside you are a small chicken in a business suit. "One moment, please. I need to write this down." Use it. Love it. Keep it in your pocket. Another important phrase. "Can you send me the information by message?" This is perfect, because phone calls disappear. Messages stay. If the person gives an address, a time, or a number, say, "Can you send me the information by message, please?" Very normal, very smart, very adult. Look at you, doing phone business. Now, sometimes you need to call someone first. This is even scarier, because now you are the person starting the adventure. But you can use a simple structure. 1. Say who you are. 2. Say why you are calling. 3. Ask your question. For example, "Hello, my name is Anna. I'm calling about my order. Can you help me, please?" That is all. No big speech, no movie scene, no perfect grammar crown. Just clear English. Another example. "Hello, my name is David. I'm calling about the job interview. What time should I come?" Good. Simple. Real. If you are nervous, write your first sentence before the call. Not the whole call, just the first sentence. Because the first sentence is the door. After the door opens, you can walk slowly. If you want more practice like this, I also put extra simple scripts in a full English course on Patreon. You can use them to train real speaking situations like phone calls, interviews, and daily life. The link is below if you want to check it out. Now let's practice one full call. You answer, "Hello, this is Anna." The person says, "Hi, I'm calling about your delivery." You say, "Sorry, could you speak a little slower, please?" The person repeats. You say, "Okay, thank you. What time will it arrive?" They answer. You say, "One moment, please. I need to write this down." Then, "Can you send me the information by message?" And at the end, "Thank you. Have a nice day." That is a real phone call. You survived. No explosion, no grammar police, no English monster under the bed. Just a call. Now go to the comments and write one phone phrase. "Could you repeat that, please?" Or "One moment, please." Or "Can you send me the information by message?" That is your practice today. Remember this. Your first English phone call does not need to be beautiful. It needs to be clear. Slow down. Ask again. Use small phrases. And breathe. The phone can ring. You can answer. Keep going.